Hello guys, inside the previous video we have seen how can we create a make metal instance inside the AWS, right? So you can see here within 30 seconds how can we create a make metal instance inside the AWS, right? So first we click on the launch button and then some parameter we need to add over there, and then we need to select instance type, images, and some security groups what need to allow, and then click on the launch button, right? After that instance is running fine, then we need to click on the instance and then click on the connect button. So after clicking on the connect button, it's open new tab, right? So inside the new tab you are able to see like that, and then you need to enter default user is a EC2 user, right? And then need to click on the connect button like that. So when you are clicking on the connect button, so it's open a new another tab with it's opening with some command line interface. So when you are, it's take a small time, and after that you need to enter below command, and this command for the remote desktop connections allow for the Mac users if you are getting some error for the permissions, right? So first you need to add that permissions, and then after that you need to hit again these commands, and after allowing this command you need to go inside the EC2 Instance security group, right? Inside the security group we have already opened 2280 and 443 port, and we need to allow one port is a 5900 is for the remote desktop connection of the Mac instance, right? So I'm already allow the remote desktop connections port, right? So you can see here it's allow for the all IPs, right? You can allow for the specific IP also. After that we need to open skin sharing application inside the Mac, and then enter the our instance IP. When you are entering the instance IP now, so you see some pop-up menu for entering the username and passwords. After the entering username and password, click on the sign in button, and then you are able to see the desktop screen of the Mac instance, right? And now I am inside the Mac OS instance in AWS. Now you see here I am logging with the EC2 users. Also I am sharing another video how can we create a new user using command line interface, or how can we create new user with macOS user interface, right? And how can we allow that user remote desktop access and admin access, right? Please check that video, and that video link already I have mentioned inside the description. I hope you like this video, and for more video updates please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.